Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this Lay's bag cake, our favourite brand of chips. Well, in England we say crisps. Start with a basic vanilla cake cut into a rectangle and pipe on white buttercream icing. Layer it up with more cake which is slightly slimmer. We're going to get slimmer and slimmer as we get to the top. More buttercream icing, another layer of cake, and one last time, super slim, to form the shape of a bag. Then we coat the entire thing in white buttercream. There, smooth it out. Perfect. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, roll out some green fondant icing. Nice and flat. And cover the cake with it, pressing it down with your hands, perfecting the corners with your fingers, cutting off the excess. Now roll out some black fondant icing and cut out strips. We want 2 of these. These are going to go along the top and down the sides of our bag, cutting off the excess. One on top of the other to give a 3D effect. It's slightly slimmer. Now use a tool to make indents. Gives it that realistic look. Then some more black fondant cut into a horseshoe on the front of the bag. If it doesn't stick down easily, you can use water as glue, using the same tool to make more indents, and then some silver fondant to create the zips. And finally, the Lay's logo. Brilliant! Just look at that. Super simple vanilla cake with white buttercream icing and fondant. Time to enjoy. Yum!